All right. Good evening, everyone. We are into the success story, and we are having Rohit Sinha with us, if I'm not wrong, right, Rohit?
Yeah,
All right, Rohit. Good evening to you, and good evening to everyone. Nice to meet you, Rohit. Before we start the session, I would like you to give your introduction to our audience today.
thank you, sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this golden opportunity. My name is Rohit Singh. I am from Amreli, uh, Gujarat, and I have completed my Bachelor of Science in Artificial Intelligence in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Then I am joined DataMites for certification course of data analytics. Then I have completed. Then I placed at UBP.one. That's all about me.
All right, so you choose data analytics, right?
Yeah, I chose.
Okay, you choose. And what do you say about your background? You did some engineering?
No, no, Bachelor of Science, BSc in
BSc,
AIML.
BSc, correct, BSc.
BSc.
And what was the specialization in BSc?
AML, AI,
Oh, BSc and AIML, right?
AML, yes.
And then eventually you went for data analytics course. That's great to know about it,
Uh,
Rohit. And thank you so much for confirming as well. All right, Rohit. So you are a fresher, and then you went into the interviews, and then you cracked this interview. So my question is, did you give the mock interview of DataMites?
no, sir.
All right. Great to
Yeah,
know. Without even mock interviews, you. So it's a great thing actually. I mean,
yeah.
you jumped like one hurdle directly into the next one. So Rohit, I would like to know that what exactly was your mindset when you were preparing for the interviews and examinations and everything?
I just want to go to analyst field like data analytics, web research analyst. That is why I'm prepared like that, and I cracked the interview.
No, no, that's absolutely correct. But like when you're
Yes.
preparing for it, what sort of areas that you focused more?
Areas like I focus more on how to analyze the data. Like first of all, we collect the data, then analyze the data, then we find the insight from the data. That data will use for the taking decision of the business.
Okay, so how to
That's
analyze
why.
from the data? This is what. So what was the main tools that you used to analyze the data?
Yeah. Basically, I use Excel, then Power BI.
Oh, Excel
Mostly
and
we
Power
use,
BI.
yeah, yes.
Okay, mostly.
Mostly I use Excel.
Okay, mostly you used Excel. All right. Rohit, when you were creating your resume, how did you create your resume? What were the factors? What were the things you keep in mind while preparing that resume?
I analyze maybe 5 to 6 resume. Then I then I select the some parts and then I create the resume.
Okay.
I will analyze 5 to 6 resumes.
Okay, so analyze 5 to 6 resume and then you made. So that's
Then I
that's
made.
great. Then when you analyzed and you understood that how to put these resume into the place. I mean, how to put all these topics into the places. But what what sort of projects, what sort of topics, what sort of skill set you actually put in your resume?
Yeah, I put in resume like Excel, Power BI, and Python, SQL, like
Mhm.
that kinds of skills I add and in the resumes.
Okay. So and what kind
Yeah,
of projects you put?
yeah. Project like I put in market analysis, then cricket analysis, like that kind of product I mentioned.
Okay. So how many projects you did as a part of your capstone project and client project from DataMites?
Yeah. I have done two capstone project and one client project.
So the projects that you put in your resume was the same project from the data mines or different?
Same project of the data mix.
Same project of the data mines. That's great.
Yes,
So you said that you put the skill set, then you put the these projects that you have done. And
yes.
so when you went into the interview, what kind of questions were asked?
They ask question like they provide the data, then they told me to finding some insight what actually they want. I provide and I analyze that and I
Okay,
give
so
them
they wanted the
whatever they want.
answer, and
Yes,
you basically did the things on top of it and
yes,
just
yes.
gave it to them, and then great to know about it, Rohit. Like eventually you said that you're going to have that. Rohit, one more question. For cracking this interview, how much how much an hour you have to study per day?
Yeah, I will study per day. You can say 2 to 3 hours per day,
2 to 3 hours apart from your classes?
apart from my classes. Yes,
Okay. So apart from data analysis thing, Rohit, did you also learn machine learning?
yes.
Any
I
questions that
will.
they have asked from the machine learning chapter as well?
No, no, no. They have just asked from data analytics.
They have not asked anything from the machine learning. They have simply asked from the
Yeah, yeah,
data
no.
analytics, right? Okay, that's great to know. So 2 to 3 hours per day, apart from the daily classes you used to give, right?
Yes,
That's great to know. So I have one more question. Like you said that in your resume, you have given the projects that has been already being done by you in the DataMites, right? Apart from that, did you make any more project?
yes, sir. I make a project that name is weather forecasting.
Weather forecasting. Great to know.
Weather forecasting. Yes.
Okay. Uh, so what's your aspiration? What do you want to become in the next 5 years? Where do you see yourself?
I see myself next 5 year to data analytics to senior data analytics.
Senior data analytics.
Senior data analytics.
Great to know about it. Of course, you have
Yeah.
to be a senior at one point of time. That is for sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you are yet to join, right? You have not yet joined, but yet to join.
Sorry.
You are yet to join. Did you join the company, or like you are yet to join the company?
Oh, I've already joined the company.
You have already
You
joined the
have,
company. That's great to know about because now you can tell what you do. What's your day-to-day there life?
yeah, they they provide data and we have to extract data from web server. Then we have to analyze the data and we have to create reports and we send the reports to client and client,
Oh, okay.
yeah, like that.
Okay. Anything which relates with Gen AI or something like that happening in your company, Rohit?
No, sir.
No, nothing as such. All right. That was actually a great talking with you, Rohit. Let me ask the team if we have any question. Team, do we have any question? No questions. We don't have any questions. Then I think that was a good conversation with Rohit. Thank you so much, Rohit, for being a part of this show. Of course,
Thank you, sir.
we may, we may, meet in the next season or somewhere for sure. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, team. Thank you, Rohit. Ending up the call for today.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Before we end, I'm really sorry about. I think somebody shooted the question at the very last moment. Rohit, I have got a question. Did the projects help you in the interview?
No, sir.
All right. Great. So
Okay.
thank you so much, Rohit, for your
Thank you, sir.
time.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much.